Odonjo weche mag tuke. Jagoro maduong' mar komiti mar Olimpik e pacho ka Francis Mutuku owacho ni giseketo ikruok motegno ne tim Kenya motelo ne tuke madhi timore Paris, Ufaransa giko dwe mar 7. Mutuku ma oloso gi jofwamb weche achiel kachiel kowuok e log tich mar Athletics Kenya osingo ne jong'wech sir kowuok kuom komitino kaluwore kod ng'ur moko mane jong'wech ogolo ni gionge kod kar timo orako maber tok kanolor alap manyayo.
80 athletes were qualified. 2 team sports, Malkia Strikers, that is our women's volleyball team, and Shuja, that's our men's rugby team. Beyond that, we have the individual athletes. First, we have athletics. Secondly, we have swimming, who have 2 slots. We understand that there is a program in preparation for AFCON where they need to have their stadiums ready and they have strict deadlines. We've been given options. The first option is Ulinzi grounds. We are also waiting to have a conversation with the technical arm of Athletics Kenya. Once they qualify, we try and see what can be done.
It's about just ensuring everything works for the benefit of the athletes in terms of the experience. Last season we saw Shuja being relegated from this World Series. We've gone through this year with the challenger, played well in won the first one, came short in the second one and didn't finish 5th in the last leg in Munich. The performances have been there, but we're getting now to that critical part where we decide our fate.